So, hello, I got these two snacks. I haven't tried them before, so I'm going to be trying them for the first time. This is chocolate pie. See, chocolate pie. And this is tiramisu. It's not expensive, it's 200. So we're going to try them. Hey, sorry.
Okay.
Stay at the place. You get down for me. So we'll be trying. This one I'm seeing egg yolk and chocolate, and this one I'm seeing egg yolk and whatever. So this is loga. I can't wait to test it. So I'm going to try it. Let's start with
for the mail.
Let's start with this one.
Let's start with this
chocolate pie. Okay, the cook, I see them. So I'm going to be trying this.
I'm going to try this thing.
Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So this is what it looks like.
Mama, give me.
Let me try it first.
Why did you try good? Why did you try good?
Nice. Try.
Give me. Try. It's fine.
So nice. 200 for the price. Okay. Very good. I'll give this an 8/10. An 8/10 because it's actually nice.
Hello guys, how you see my own? Hello guys, it's me too.
Okay, so let's try this one. This tiramisu. Tiramisu. Let's try it. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. So we're going to try this. This is a tiramisu. They had other ones there, but I just let me try this one first and be sure. So this is what this one looks like. Let's try.
Mama, give me. Mama, give me.
Jeffrey, longer. He can't wait. I won't give you. Don't disturb me. Tomorrow, come and take.
Okay.
No, you're distracting me. Did you like it? Mama likes it. Jeffrey is sweet mouth. Once he sees all these kind of things, he can't wait. Take. This is also nice. I think I prefer this one. So for this, I'll give it an 8/10. And I'll give this 7/10. Still the same feeling. They both have the same feeling. That's just that this one is more of chocolate. Jeffrey, keep quiet. And this is whatever it is, I don't know. But it's nice. Thank you and bye-bye.